Welcome to Toys and RC. In today's video, we'll be covering the 5 cheapest RC trucks in 2026 best budget picks. After conducting extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that cater to different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for the best price, solid performance, or a truck suited for a specific purpose, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, you'll find the links in the description below. Please keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The Orlandoo Hunter OH32V 01132nd scale RC minivan kit is perfect for hobbyists and enthusiasts who enjoy building and customizing their own remote-controlled vehicles. This detailed kit comes unpainted and unassembled, allowing you to fully engage in the construction process and make the car truly your own. The four-wheel drive chassis features a front-mounted motor and servo setup, advanced Ackerman steering, and realistic leaf spring suspension for both front and rear, delivering highly authentic off-road performance in miniature form. Built with PA, metal, and electronic components, the OH32V01 offers a sturdy and precise framework. Its lightweight aluminum alloy, non-supporting chassis ensures stability while leaving ample space for electronics, large batteries, or even miniature speakers. Optional brushed or brushless motors can be installed, along with a compatible 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter and battery setup, giving you full control over speed and maneuverability. The kit also includes mounting options for rear tow hooks, a central transfer case for smooth power distribution, and a versatile floor plate designed for a unified and reinforced structure. Measuring 127 mm long, 64 mm wide, and 72 mm high. This micro RC van is ideal for collectors, off-road simulation, and miniature RC adventures. Recommended for ages 14 and up, the Orlandoo Hunter OH32V01 provides a fun, customizable, and highly realistic building and driving experience for RC enthusiasts. Number 4. The WHOOSH H1 H2 1/43rd scale Subaru RC drift car is a compact, high-performance mini vehicle perfect for young enthusiasts and collectors alike. Officially licensed by Subaru, this four-wheel drive drift car combines realistic design with precise handling. Its proportional 1:43 scale body captures the iconic Subaru styling, while the nylon and ABS chassis ensures lightweight durability. Equipped with a brushless motor and a 2G steering servo, it reaches speeds of 15 to 20 km per hour and features a built-in gyroscope for stable, smooth drifts on any surface. The car includes a 3.7-volt, 240 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, delivering 20 to 25 minutes of continuous playtime, and charges fully in about 60 minutes. A 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter allows for a control range of 25 to 30 meters, giving precise proportional control over speed and steering. The LED headlights, taillights, and undercarriage ambient lighting add extra realism and excitement for night racing. Additional drift tires are included for replacement, enhancing versatility on different tracks. The package contains the RC car, rechargeable battery, remote controller, USB charging cable, 4 spare tires, 4 tire locks, a screwdriver, and a user manual. Lightweight and portable at just 300 grams, the WHOOSH H1 H2 offers a complete, ready-to-race experience with high realism and fun for ages 14 and up. Number 3. The Hstar R12-01 QF151 12th scale RC truck is a highly detailed proportional off-road vehicle designed for serious RC enthusiasts. Featuring a brushed 380 high-speed motor and a 17-gram 3-wire steering servo, this four-wheel drive truck delivers both precision control and powerful performance. It offers dual speed modes with a low speed of 3.8 kilometers per hour for detailed maneuvers and a high speed up to 15 kilometers per hour for fast off-road action. The modular 7.4-volt 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery provides over 40 minutes of runtime and charges conveniently via Type-C. Built with full metal gears, a metal drive shaft, and ball bearings, the Hstar R12-01Q ensures smooth, durable, and reliable operation. Realistic features include opening front doors, hood and trunk, foldable side mirrors, and LED lighting with daytime running lights, turn signals, and rear lights. With a 2.4 GHz 4-channel remote control offering over 40 meters of range, this truck is easy to drive and highly responsive. The package includes the RC truck, rechargeable battery, Type-C charging cable, remote controller with steering wheel cover, screwdriver, and a manual, making it ready for action straight out of the box. Weighing 1.4 kilograms and measuring 39 by 17.5 by 15 centimeters, the Hstar R12-01Q combines realism, fun, and durability in one compact off-road RC experience. Number 2. The WPL C94 1/12 scale UAZ469 RC Crawler is a rugged and realistic off-road vehicle built for climbing and proportional control driving. Equipped with a brushed 370 motor and a 17-gram steering servo, this 4WD crawler provides precise handling and smooth maneuverability over challenging terrains. The proportional remote control allows for forward, backward, left, and right movements with responsive control. Powered by a 7.4-volt 500 mAh rechargeable battery, the WPL C94 offers 15 to 18 minutes of playtime and recharges in about 2 hours. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, giving a control range of up to 20 meters. The vehicle measures 34 by 17 by 17 centimeters and weighs 1.5 kilograms, making it compact yet robust for off-road adventures. The package includes the RC Crawler, rechargeable battery, transmitter, and charger, giving you everything you need to get started. Its army green finish, proportional control, and durable construction make the WPL C94 an ideal choice for hobbyists who enjoy realistic RC crawling and climbing. Number 1. The JXC LR1801 1/18 scale RC Rock Crawler is a compact off-road truck designed for adventurous climbing and precise proportional control. Powered by a brushed 132S motor and a high-speed 9-gram servo with 1.2 kilograms torque, this four-wheel drive crawler can tackle inclines up to 45 degrees and navigate tight turns up to 30 degrees. It features a mechanical gearbox with 3 speeds, high, low, and neutral, allowing for versatile driving experiences. The 7.4-volt, 380 mAh lithium battery provides up to 50 minutes of playtime and charges fully in about 1 hour. The 2.4 GHz 3-channel transmitter offers control distances over 50 meters and supports synchronous proportional operations including forward, backward, turning, and braking. Built from durable PA and metal components, the JXC LR1801 comes with detailed tires, a metallic paint finish, a modifiable chassis, and multiple lighting modes for the front and rear. Accessories include a spare tire, roof detailing, and steel cable for realistic off-road styling. The package includes the RC truck, rechargeable battery, USB charging cable, remote controller, and instruction manual. Its compact 26.5 by 14.6 by 12 centimeter size, functional gearbox, and off-road capabilities make the LR1801 ideal for hobbyists and mini RC enthusiasts looking for realistic rock crawling action. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products or to find out which one fits your budget, Just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.